Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Stephanie Eckwall, and on this video I will be giving the Market Action Index update for the city of Carlsbad. We will be covering the market with regards to zip codes 92008, 92009, 92010, 92011. And so every week I give these updates about the market. We take a look at the Market Action Index. And what is that, you may ask? Well, it answers the question, how's the market, by comparing the rate of sales to inventory. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It will help the channel get out to more people. So let's get started. Starting out, we're going to be starting with the 92008 zip code, and this is for houses, not condos. This week, the median list price for Carlsbad is 92008 is $2,199,500 with the Market Action Index hovering around 37. This is an increase over last month's Market Action Index of 34. Inventory has decreased to 24. So here it is, looking at our thermometer here, I call it, our gauge. It's at 37, which is a slight seller's advantage. The market narrative is, while the Market Action Index shows some strengthening in the last few weeks, prices have not seemed to move from their plateau. Should the upward trend in sales relative to inventory continue, expect prices to resume an upward climb in tandem with the MAI. Now looking over here at the real-time market profile, the median list price again is $2,199,500. Median price of new listings, $1,630,000. Per square foot is at $918. Average days on market, 123. Medium days on market, 77. Price decreased 46%. Price increased 0%. Relisted 42%. Inventory is at 24. The median rent in the 92008 area code is $10,000. Market Action, again, is at 37. Now we'll be looking at condos in the 92008 zip code. This week, the median list price for Carlsbad 92008 is $1,359,999 with the Market Action Index hovering around 38. This is an increase over last month's Market Action Index of 36. Inventory has decreased to 25. Looking at our gauge, it is showing at 38 is a slight seller's advantage. Market narrative is saying home sales continue to outstrip supply and the Market Action Index has been moving higher for several weeks. This is a seller's market, so watch for upward pricing pressure in the near future if the trend continues. Looking over here at our real-time market profile, again, this is for condos. Median list price is $1,359,999. Median price of new listings, $1,166,879. That's a price per square foot of $760. Average days on market, 141. Medium days on market, 98. Price decreased, not 28% did. Price increased, 8%. Relisted, 20%. Inventory is at 25. Medium rent for condos is $2,850. Market Action Index again is at 38. Moving on to the zip code 92009. We'll start with the houses. This week, the median list price for Carlsbad 92009 is $2,275,000 with the Market Action Index hovering around 42. This is less than last month's Market Action Index of 46. Inventory has increased to 31. Looking at our gauge here, the Market Action Index is at 42, which is a slight seller's advantage. The market narrative, the market has been cooling over time and prices plateaued for a while. Despite the consistent decrease in MAI, we're in the seller's zone. Watch for changes in MAI. If the MAI resumes its climb, prices will likely follow suit. If the MAI drops consistently or falls into the buyer's zone, watch for downward pressure on prices. Real-time market profile for 92009. Medium list price, $2,275,000. Medium price of new listings, $1,998,000. Price per square foot is at 701. Average days on market, 90. Medium days on market, 70. Price decreased 32%. Price increased 3%. Relisted 23%. Inventory is at 31. Medium rent for houses in 92009 is $5,195. Again, with that market action at 42. Moving on, condos for the same zip code, 92009. This week, the median list price for condos, 92009, is $799,000, with the market action index hovering around 43. This is an increase over last month's market action index of 42. Inventory has decreased to 35. So looking at our gauge here, it's at 43, which is a slight seller's advantage. Market narrative, while the market action index shows some strengthening in the last few weeks, prices have not seemed to move from their plateau. Should the upward trend in sales relative to inventory continue, expect prices to resume an upward climb in tandem with the MAI. Looking at our real-time market profile for condos, median price again is $799,000. Median price of new listings, $824,500, giving us a per square foot price of $610. Average days on market, 53. Medium days on market, 35. Price decreased 34%. Price increased 0%. Relisted 6%. Inventory is at 35. Median rent for condos, $3,399. And again, the market action is at 43. Moving on to 92010. This week, the median list price for Carlsbad, 92010 for houses, is $1,365,000, with the market action index hovering around 52. This is less than last month's market action index of 62. Inventory has increased to 9. So looking at our gauge here, the MAI is at 52, which is a strong seller's market. Market narrative says the market has been cooling over time and prices plateaued for a while. Despite the consistent decrease in MAI, we're in the seller's zone. Watch for changes in MAI. If the MAI resumes its climb, prices will likely follow suit. If the MAI drops consistently or falls into the buyer zone, watch for downward pressure on prices. Our real-time market profile for the 92010 zip code, medium list price again is $1,365,000. Median price of new listings, $1,299,000. Price per square foot, $682. Average days on market, 52. Medium days on market, 49. Price decreased 44%. Price increased 0%. Relisted 11%. Inventory at 9. Medium rent for a house is $3,800. Again, that market action is sitting at 52. Now, looking at condos for that same zip code of 92010. This week, the median list price for 92010 is $749,949, with the market action index hovering around 51. This is an increase over last month's market action index of 44. Inventory has decreased to 6. So our MAI gauge here is at 51, which is a strong seller's market. The market narrative says while the market action index shows some strengthening in the last few weeks, prices have settled in a bit of a plateau. We are currently in a seller's market, so prices will likely resume their climb should this trend persist. The real-time market profile for condos, medium list price, $749,949. Median price of new listings, $749,998. Price per square foot is at $550. Average days on market, 89. Medium days on market, 95. Price decreased 83%. Price increased 0%. Relisted 0%. Inventory is at 6. Medium rent for a condo for 92010 is $3,218, and the market action is at 51. Now, last but not least, we will cover the zip code in Carlsbad, 92011. Starting with houses, this week the median list price for 92011 is $3,300,000, with the market action index hovering around 63. This is an increase over last month's market action index of 54. Inventory has decreased to 5. So our gauge here of the MAI is at 63, which is a strong seller's market. The market narrative says the market has been strong for several consecutive weeks, reflecting these inventory conditions. With the MAI in the seller's zone, it is not surprising that prices have recently resumed their climb. The real-time market profile, median list price again, $3,300,000. Median price of new listings, same, $3,300,000. Price per square foot, $784. Average days on market, 56. Medium days on market, 35. Price decreased, 20%. Price increased, 0%. Relisted, 0%. Inventory is at 5. Median rent for a house is $5,500. And the market action is sitting at 63. Now, looking at condos for the 92011 zip code. This week, the median list price for 92011 is $952,000, with the market action index hovering around 65. This is an increase over last month's market action index of 55. Inventory has decreased to 4. So our gauge here is sitting at 65, which is a strong seller's market. Home sales, the market and narrative says home sales continue to outstrip supply, and the market action index has been moving higher for several weeks. This is a seller's market, so watch for upward pricing pressure in the near future if the trend continues. Looking at the real-time market profile for condos, median list price $952,000, median price of new listings $1,177,000. Price per square foot, $707. Average days on market, 61. Medium days on market, 28. Price decreased, 25%. Price increased, 0%. Relisted, 0%. Inventory is at 4. Median rent for condos, $3,900. Market action is at 65. So that's a wrap of the latest update for the week of January 20th, 2025 for your market in the city of Carlsbad. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.